Reid Hill View ground, Cherokee 8085 Whiskey at Row Romeo, taxi for takeoff with information Oscar. Request Charlie transition and flight following to Half Moon Bay.
Cherokee 8085 Whiskey, Reid Hill View ground. Runway 31 right, taxi via Zulu.
Taxi via Zulu, Cherokee 8085 Whiskey. Alright, Samed, so go ahead and put your feet on the pedals. And then you can turn left and then right, left.
I see.
So keep us on the center line.
Cherokee 85 Whiskey, squawk 0347. Remain outside Class Charlie airspace till contact with San Jose Tower 124.0.
0347 on the box will remain outside of San Jose until we have contact, Cherokee 8085 Whiskey.
Roger, have a good flight. See ya.
Thank you. Making sure we look to the right, to the left. Good.
Wait, is that me who's controlling the direction?
You're controlling the direction right now.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah. So we're gonna go do a little loop-de-loop. Let's go all the way to there, and then we're gonna do an engine check. Reid Hill View Tower, Cherokee 8085 Whiskey, ready for departure.
Cherokee 8085 Whiskey, Reid Hill Tower, hold short, runway 31 right.
Hold short, 31 right, Cherokee 85 Whiskey.
Cherokee 85 Whiskey, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 31 left, Cherokee 85 Whiskey. Alright guys, ready to go.
Hey!
Scout 234, runway 31 right, clear for takeoff. The departing Cherokee off the parallel is also headed over to San Jose's airspace.
Copy, Cherokee.
San Jose Tower, Cherokee 8085 Whiskey, 1,000 feet, just departed Reid Hill View.
Cherokee 8085 Whiskey, San Jose Tower. Ident, San Jose altimeter 3018.
Ident, thanks for the altimeter, 85 Whiskey.
Cherokee 85 Whiskey, radar contact 4 miles east of San Jose Airport, cross San Jose midfield at 2000.
Cross San Jose midfield at 2000, Cherokee 85 Whiskey. Alright, Samed, you can take over the controls. And just one hand on the yoke. You don't want it to be too heavy, alright? Airplane's gonna be responsive. You don't want to death grip it, and you want to keep it at 2000, alright? So we don't want to climb. We'll give you a little bit of downward trim. And we want to be right in the center of that field.
Gotcha.
We're losing some altitude. And you can really tell without really having to look at the instruments. Just look at the nose.
Yeah.
If you see it going up, that means you're climbing. If you see it going down,
South of 2446, cross runway 30.
you're descending.
Contact
If you're making it a right turn, you'll see it turn to the right.
2446.
It's one hand.
When you pull it, it goes up? Or?
When you pull it, it goes up. When you push it down, it goes down. And there's a nice little bump.
Wasn't me, guys.
That was not you. Too much.
Look at this!
You got Levi Stadium, that's where the 49ers play.
Damn.
On your left, you have the Apple spaceship.
Oh, whoa! Whoa, that's cool.
Out of alert 2000, 234.
Yeah, a tad bumpy today, guys.
All good.
November 8085 Whiskey, radar services terminated. Squawk maintain VFR, frequency change approved.
Squawk maintain VFR, Cherokee 85 Whiskey, thanks for the help.
Yeah.
So this airport doesn't have a tower, so we all have to communicate with one another to let each other know what we're doing.
Turning left downwind, 201, Bill.
Half Moon Bay traffic, Sky 236, Sierra Papa, final.
Half Moon Bay traffic, Cherokee 85 Whiskey, we're midfield, 1,500 will be entering the pattern right crosswind, Half Moon Bay. Start slowing down. We're gonna do a right turn. All the patterns are rectangular.
Half Moon Bay traffic, 373 Tango Alpha, turning final 30 Half Moon Bay.
Landing might be a tad bumpy.
I'm ready for that.
Half Moon Bay traffic, Cherokee 85 Whiskey, right base for runway 30, Half Moon Bay. Half Moon Bay traffic. Cherokee 85 Whiskey, turning final, Half Moon Bay.
Half Moon Bay traffic, 370 Tango Alpha, is clear of 30, Half Moon Bay.
Half Moon Bay traffic, Cherokee 85 Whiskey, short final. Runway 30, Half Moon Bay. Heavy winds today. The winds are blowing over 20 miles per hour down this runway right now. Not too bad for a windy day.
That was smooth.
Ooh, that was good.
Yeah, I was preparing myself for a bumpy.
I know, right? And then it was just like perfect.